Cooper. Cooper. Hi there, little guy. Look at you. You are so cute. You are so cute. Cooper is 1 day old in about, let's see, 12 minutes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Cooper. Cooper. Are you getting hungry? Are you getting hungry? Yeah, looks like you might be getting hungry. All right. Let's stop and eat. Let's stop and eat.